Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. If you have any questions, comments, or surplus machinery you would like to sell, or for an up-to-date list of available machines, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com. In addition to what is listed on our website, we have 50 plus machines being processed. So check back often, as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Also remember that all of our machines are located in-house and that we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. We're going to take a look at a 2007 Timesavers 2300 series 3-head Widebelt sander. Nice, clean, low-hour machine. This machine currently has 4,358 hours on it. The first head on this machine is powered by a 25 horsepower motor. It's an 8-inch helical grooved rubber drum. Your second head is powered by a 20 horsepower motor, and that is also an 8-inch helical grooved rubber drum. Your third head is powered by a 15 horsepower motor. It's a combination head. That drum is 6 inches, and it is also a helical grooved drum. You are also going to get 2 platens with this machine. Both of them have new felt and graphite on them. This is the spare. There's also one in the machine. This also does store in the slot on the rear door, and there is a puller for it built into the machine. All those heads have been redressed and are defect free. They're also really deep grooved. That's important. That means that there is a lot of life left in them. You do have dial indicators on all heads, and additionally, of course, you have one on the platen as well. That's why you see 2 of them on that third head. We're gonna go ahead and start the machine up. We just engaged the emergency brake. As you can see, everything came to a stop as it should. Upon powering up the machine, or if you have just hit the emergency stop, everything on here is going to basically be blank. You do have your control power on and off. You want to make sure this is on. You're going to hit your master start. This is going to allow you to reset all your heads. If everything resets, you don't have any open safeties, and you are good to go. You do have a numeric keypad and readout here. You can simply come in and hit program, and then you can hit, say, 3.0, hit enter, hit start, and we'll go directly to that 3 inches. There's a whole bunch of other features that you can do with the controller as well. You can read about that in the manual. It's a very robust, long-lived controller that Timesavers uses. You do have an auto calibration unit with automatic setup. What you would do is you basically just stick your material on the conveyor underneath that center control. You can dial in a couple thousandths over or under, and then you hit your automatic setup button. It's going to drop the switch down, and it's going to raise the conveyor to that material thickness so you can auto calibrate. You do have 3 amp meters. Of course, start and stop for 1, 2, and all 3 heads. Your feed speed, we'll start that feed up. We'll put it on the lowest feed speed. This is a newer feed mat. The feed mat is less than a year old. It's in really good condition. It's never been dressed. It's nice and soft and pliable. There is one little line down the center. It's small, a light amount of staining, but that's about it. We'll adjust that feed up. This does use a variable a variable frequency drive. As you can hear, it's nice and smooth. To stop the feed, you simply hit this button here. You do have also open and close here, so you can raise and lower the conveyor as well manually without use of the keypad. Additionally, underneath the feed mat, you do have a small hand wheel in case you still want to manually adjust the machine. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.